Hey there, welcome to the Learning Liaisons. My name is Dr. A, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Learning Liaisons, and I want to welcome you to our website as well as our learning community. So what I'm going to do here in this quick video is I just want to give you a quick tour of the website and talk a little bit about what we do here at the Learning Liaisons and how we've helped over 4,500 teachers pass their various FTCE exams since about 2015. So here we are on the homepage. So take a couple seconds on your own. You can scroll up and down. We got a couple of cool features on here. Like I have a free video training here for you to sign up. Absolutely free. It's a 7-day training on there. A couple of short little videos on the 7 steps to FTCE success. I talk about study guides, workshops, how to study, when to study, some cool stuff there. There's a little intro video. That's me. A little intro video that you can watch. We've got all of our courses here, some discount bundles, some social proof here for some teachers. We've got about 135 plus 5-star reviews on Facebook and dozens of them on Google if you want to search that. Got some of our team members on here. We're real excited about some new things coming up here. And our special, most popular course, our GK course bundle. Some cool things to do here, and also make sure you sign up for our newsletter. So when you come to the website, you're probably fall into one of two groups. Either you're a classroom teacher who needs to pass your exams to keep your job, whether it's a GK or the professional ed, or you're a college student, you have to pass your series of exams to graduate. All right, so either way, you're in desperate need to pass your exam, and you're in the right place. Like I said before, we helped so many teachers, about 4,500 teachers as of April now in 2018 when I'm making this video. So we know what we're doing, and we put teachers and college students in the best possible position, because remember, it's all about how you study, not what you study. Okay, and that's what our goal is here to show you. So when you come to the website, it's very simple. You just click, are you a college student, teacher, or career changer? So if I click I'm a teacher, it's going to take me to the pages. So now that we're on this page, all we have to do is pick which test we're prepping for. So let's say I'm here for the general knowledge test. So all I do is click GK. And on this page is going to be all the courses that pertain to the general knowledge test that we have. So our main one that we do when I come and do face-to-face sessions at school districts and universities across the state is basically what our GK course is right here. So you can get instant access to pre-recorded video modules, resources, questions, everything that I cover in my workshop. Every course now has a 60-day access, 2 months, or the year. So you can see there's not much of a difference between the 2 months and a year. I just have a lot of people that need extended time, so I gave that option. So every course on the site, pretty much you're going to have those two options there. I've got courses that focus just in on the essay. So yes, we cover the essay, the math, the ELS, and reading all in the GK course, but based on the feedback from our teachers and college students, a lot more people need extra help with the essay and especially the math. So I designed a special essay course, which is way more extensive than I cover in the GK. And I actually also model a perfect essay in there as well. We have courses that include tutoring, so I can meet with you one-on-one. So there's a lot of different courses on here. Probably our most popular one is our GK Math Bootcamp, which is extensive content review, every skill that's tested on your GK Math. We also have one for the elementary ed, which is pretty much similar. And that is probably one of our most popular courses. So all you have to do is click on one of these. For example, let's say I want to take the GK. Got a little welcome intro from me about the course there. A full description of what's included, everything that you get with it. And you can see all the modules on here. Some of these are unlocked, so you can watch a little welcome video and learn how the course goes here if you want. You don't have to pay for anything right there. But to access, obviously, all the other modules, you're going to have to sign up and register. All right, so that's pretty much the courses there. So you can search that way, or if you just want to hit the course button on the top, it's going to have all of them for all the different exams here. We got a lot of cool features in these workshops as well, in these video courses. And in another video you can check out on Facebook, I actually go behind the scenes and show you what it looks like in one of the courses. So even though these are pre-recorded, there's actually interactive features on there where you can post questions and comments, kind of just like a Facebook feed. So you get to interact with other teachers and college students that are in that course at the same time with you, as well as post questions for me. So in addition to all these courses, I do like to save teachers money. I know it's a stressful time. So we actually have bundles of courses here. So you can find these on any of the course pages. So obviously our most popular courses across the state, because about 15,000 teachers take it every year for the first time, is our GK test. So we have bundles where we bundle all of our GK courses together for 60 days or a whole year. And then we have our brand new VIP access, which is all of the courses for the Learning Liaisons for the whole year. So you're talking about probably 10 to 15 courses on there. We're always adding some. So what this does is if you are just first starting out and you need to pass your general knowledge, professional ed, different subject area exams, this is definitely well worth it, because in the long run, with all your study guides and any courses you're going to get, you're going to pay a lot more than this amount. So, all right, so if you want to do it right the first time, I definitely suggest enrolling in our VIP access. This way you have everything at the click of a button anywhere in the world on your phone, on your computer for a year. All right, so that's basically it. That's all the courses. That's how to register. A couple other things to check out here. We do have a monthly contest where we pay for a teacher's test. Yes, we send checks to you. I'm not kidding. That's no joke. So we pick a name out each month. If you've taken our workshops or video courses and you pass, or when you pass, I should say, what you're going to do is you'll just sign up right here. You just enter the contest. And all you do is take in a picture of yourself, a selfie with your passing report that you get in the email. And that's it. And you follow these instructions to send in. And if you win, I will send you a check. So I just sent out a check a couple days ago. All right, so that's a cool feature. A lot of people always want to share our workshops. So I figured, well, why not incentivize that and pay teachers? So to recoup some of those costs for your exams and your study materials that you've purchased. So we have a lot of teachers making a good amount of money sharing our workshop. So all you have to do is sign up. Literally take you like 30 seconds. And I'll give you a special little secret link. And when you share that out and people use it to register, then you get a piece of the pie. You get a little payment, 15% payment on that course. And you also help your fellow colleagues save money when they sign up for their exam as well. So if you have any questions, my contact information is below this video, or you can just click this little contact button here, send me a quick message, or you can call or text at the phone number up here on the top, 407-797-1499, anytime. We honestly never really close, so we're always here to help you. So I want you to remember, this is very important. This is what I tell all of my teachers and college students online and in person. You always have to remember, it's when you pass, not if you pass. Remember that and keep saying it to yourself. It's when you pass, not if you pass, because it's all psychological, ladies and gentlemen. I put everybody in the best possible position to pass on the first attempt. But you have to remember, it's all about how you prep, not what you prep. You got to prep smart, not prep hard. So you guys have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Reach out, email, text, social media, whatever. My job every day I do this is to help teachers across the state not have to pay numerous times to take this exam and pass on the first attempt. So once again, my name is Dr. A. I'm the CEO and founder of the Learning Liaisons. I want you to have a great rest of your day. And like I just said, remember, it's when you pass, not if you pass. Talk to you later. Bye.